Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes.
Bile salts biosynthesis. Table of contents. Introduction to bile salts biosynthesis. Site of synthesis, the role of hepatocytes and organelles. The classic, neutral pathway, the major route of synthesis. The rate-limiting step, cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase. The alternative, acidic pathway, the role of mitochondrial enzymes. Primary bile acids, formation of cholic and chenodeoxycholic acid. Conjugation, converting bile acids into bile salts, glycine and taurine. Regulation of biosynthesis, negative feedback loops and FXR. Defects in biosynthesis, Cerebrotendinous Xanthomatosis and genetic errors. Summary of key enzymes and cofactors involved. Conclusion. Introduction to bile salts biosynthesis. Bile salts are amphipathic steroid-based molecules synthesized in the liver from cholesterol, and they exist as conjugated bile acid products, mainly with glycine or taurine. Their biosynthesis begins in hepatocytes through the classical neutral pathway, where cholesterol is converted into 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol by the enzyme cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase, CYP7A1. This classical pathway ultimately leads to the formation of the primary bile acids, specifically cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid. An alternative, acidic pathway, initiated by the enzyme sterol 27-hydroxylase, CYP27A1, also contributes significantly, particularly in the production of chenodeoxycholic acid. The primary bile acids are then conjugated with glycine or taurine, forming bile salts, which increases their solubility. This increased solubility is essential for their efficient secretion into bile and for their critical role in lipid digestion and absorption. Site of synthesis, the role of hepatocytes and organelles. Hepatocytes, the specialized parenchymal cells of the liver, are the only cells responsible for bile salt synthesis, where they catabolize cholesterol into bile acids and subsequently conjugate them. The enzymes required for bile salt biosynthesis are distributed across different hepatocellular organelles, ensuring stepwise processing of intermediates. The endoplasmic reticulum contains the rate-limiting enzyme cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase, CYP7A1, which initiates the classical pathway of bile acid synthesis. The mitochondria house sterol 27-hydroxylase, CYP27A1, which plays a key role in side chain oxidation during the alternative pathway. In the peroxisomes, final side chain shortening occurs along with conjugation of bile acids with amino acids, glycine or taurine. After these modifications, the bile salts are prepared for export and are secreted into bile for their physiological functions.
If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated.
The classic neutral pathway, the major route of synthesis. The classical neutral pathway is the major route for bile acid synthesis in humans and occurs exclusively in the liver. In this pathway, cholesterol is first hydroxylated at the carbon 7 position by the enzyme cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase, CYP7A1, which represents the rate-limiting step of bile acid synthesis. The initial product, 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol, is further converted into 7-alpha hydroxy-4-cholestin 3, which acts as a key intermediate and branching point in the pathway. When sterol 12-alpha hydroxylase, CYP8B1, acts on this intermediate, The pathway proceeds toward the formation of cholic acid, Ca. Thus, CYP8B1 plays a crucial role in determining the hydrophilicity profile of the bile acid pool. In the absence of CYP8B1 activity, the intermediate is instead converted into chenodeoxycholic acid, CDCA. Both cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid are synthesized in large amounts via this pathway, and together constitute the major proportion of primary bile acids. The rate-limiting step, cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase. Cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase, CYP7A1, is the rate-limiting enzyme in the classical pathway of bile acid biosynthesis. It is a cytochrome P450 enzyme located primarily in the endoplasmic reticulum of hepatocytes. CYP7A1 catalyzes the 7-alpha hydroxylation of cholesterol, a crucial step that commits cholesterol to bile acid metabolism. The activity of CYP7A1 determines the overall size of the bile acid pool and influences the ratio of cholic acid to chenodeoxycholic acid. Transcriptional regulation of CYP7A1 serves as a major control point in regulating hepatic bile acid production.
Download our microbiology study app made for researchers like you.
The alternative acidic pathway, the role of mitochondrial enzymes. The alternative acidic pathway of bile acid synthesis begins with the conversion of cholesterol into 27-hydroxycholesterol by the mitochondrial enzyme sterol 27-hydroxylase, CYP27A1. This pathway contributes a smaller proportion, approximately 10%, to total bile acid synthesis compared to the classical pathway. It is termed an acidic pathway because the initial hydroxylation occurs on the side chain of cholesterol rather than the steroid ring structure. The resulting oxidized intermediate is then further hydroxylated at the 7-alpha position by oxysterol 7-alpha hydroxylase, CYP7B1. After these initial steps, the intermediates undergo common enzymatic reactions shared with the classical pathway, leading to completion of ring and side chain modifications and formation of primary bile acids. Since this pathway can also operate in extrahepatic tissues, it provides an alternative route for cholesterol catabolism beyond the liver. Primary bile acids, formation of cholic and chenodeoxycholic acid. The primary bile acids are the first hepatic products of cholesterol catabolism, with cholic acid, Ca, and chenodeoxycholic acid, CDCA, being the predominant forms in humans. In the classical pathway, 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol undergoes a series of reactions to form both Ca and CDCA, and the proportion of Ca is regulated by the activity of CYP8B1. The alternative pathway predominantly leads to the production of CDCA, mainly through the enzymatic actions of CYP27A1 and CYP7B1. These primary bile acids serve as the major bile acid forms, which upon conjugation with glycine or taurine are converted into bile salts that can be efficiently secreted into bile.
If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated.
Conjugation, converting bile acids into bile salts, glycine and taurine. Bile acids are conjugated at their terminal carboxyl group with glycine or taurine via an amide bond before being secreted into the bile canaliculi. This conjugation results in the formation of glyco- and tauroconjugated bile acids, which increase amphipathicity, reduce toxicity, and enhance bile secretion efficiency. The conjugation process occurs in two enzymatic steps. First, bile acid CoA synthetase, BACS, encoded by the SLC27A5 gene, activates bile acids by converting them into bile acid CoA thioesters. Next, bile acid CoA amino acid N-acyltransferase, BAAT, catalyzes the attachment of glycine or taurine to the activated bile acids. Both primary bile acids, cholic acid, chenodeoxycholic acid, and secondary bile acids, deoxycholic acid, lithocholic acid, can act as substrates for this conjugation process. The genes SLC27A5 and BAAT are predominantly expressed in the liver and are regulated by the nuclear receptor FXR, farnesoid X receptor. Common human bile salts formed through this process include glycocholic acid, GCA, taurocholic acid, TCA, and other glycine and taurine conjugated derivatives. Regulation of biosynthesis, negative feedback loops, and FXR. Bile acid, bile salt synthesis, is tightly regulated by a negative feedback mechanism to prevent the accumulation of toxic bile acid metabolites. When intracellular bile acid levels increase, activation of the farnesoid X receptor, FXR, initiates a negative feedback response that suppresses further bile acid production. FXR inhibits the transcription of the rate-limiting enzyme CYP7A1, thereby reducing bile acid synthesis. The farnesoid X receptor, FXR, is a nuclear receptor highly expressed in the liver and intestine, functioning as a sensor of bile acid levels to maintain bile acid homeostasis. Among bile acids, chenodeoxycholic acid, CDCA, acts as the most potent natural FXR agonist, while cholic acid, Ca, serves as a weaker agonist. Upon activation by bile acids, FXR induces signaling pathways involving small heterodimer partner, SHP, and fibroblast growth factor 19, FGF19. These signaling mechanisms inhibit the expression of CYP7A1 and CYP8B1, ultimately decreasing bile acid synthesis and production. Defects in biosynthesis, cerebrotendinous xanthomatosis, and genetic errors. Cerebrotendinous xanthomatosis. Cerebrotendinous xanthomatosis, CTX, is a rare autosomal recessive disorder of bile acid production resulting from impaired cholesterol metabolism. It is caused by a mutation in the CYP27A1 gene, which encodes the mitochondrial sterol 27 hydroxylase involved in bile acid synthesis. This mutation leads to reduced production of chenodeoxycholic acid, CDCA, and accumulation of cholestanol and cholesterol in tissues, particularly in the brain, tendons, and lens. Clinically, CTX is characterized by tendon xanthomas, juvenile cataracts, chronic diarrhea, neurological dysfunction, and premature atherosclerosis. Early diagnosis and treatment with chenodeoxycholic acid replacement therapy can help improve biochemical abnormalities. Genetic errors. Genetic defects in bile salt biosynthesis mainly affect the final stages, where primary bile acids are converted into conjugated bile salts. Mutations in the SLC27A5 gene, encoding bile acid CoA ligase, impair the conversion of free bile acids into bile acid CoA, a necessary step before conjugation. Mutations in the BAAT gene, encoding bile acid CoA amino acid N-acyltransferase, block the conjugation of activated bile acids with glycine or taurine, which is the final step in bile salt formation. These defects lead to a reduced pool of functional bile salts, causing accumulation of unconjugated bile acids. As a result, micelle formation is impaired, leading to decreased absorption of dietary fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Summary of key enzymes and cofactors involved. Cholesterol 7 alpha hydroxylase, CYP7A1, a cytochrome P450 rate-limiting enzyme that initiates the classical bile acid pathway by hydroxylating cholesterol at the C7 position in hepatocytes. 3-beta-hydroxydelta-5C27 steroid oxidoreductase, HSD3B7, converts the 3-beta-hydroxyl group into a 3-oxo intermediate and facilitates epimerization, representing an early essential step in bile acid synthesis. Sterol 12-alpha hydroxylase, CYP8B1, controls the balance between cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid by introducing a 12-alpha hydroxyl group, thereby regulating bile acid composition. Secondary hydroxylases, for example, sterol 27 hydroxylase, CYP27A1, function in both the classical and alternative acidic pathways, contributing to side chain oxidation and modification. Bile acid CoA synthetase, BACS/SLC27A5, catalyzes the activation of bile acids by converting them into CoA thioesters, preparing them for conjugation. Bile acid CoA amino acid N-acyltransferase, BAAT, facilitates the conjugation of activated bile acids with glycine or taurine, producing water-soluble bile salts. Cofactors NADPH and O2, essential for cytochrome P450-mediated hydroxylation reactions, enabling enzymatic oxidation steps. CoA, glycine, and taurine serve as critical substrates for activation and conjugation, ensuring bile acids become water-soluble, functional molecules for lipid emulsification and digestion. Conclusion: bile salts are steroid-derived amphipathic molecules synthesized exclusively in hepatocytes from cholesterol, playing a vital role in lipid digestion and cholesterol catabolism. The classical neutral pathway is the primary route of bile acid biosynthesis in the liver, with cholesterol 7-alpha hydroxylase, CYP7A1, acting as the rate-limiting enzyme converting cholesterol into bile acids. The alternative, acidic pathway, initiated by mitochondrial CYP27A1, contributes a smaller fraction of total bile acid synthesis and is mainly responsible for producing chenodeoxycholic acid, CDCA. The two main primary bile acids, cholic acid, Ca, and CDCA, are formed through these pathways, and CYP8B1 regulates their ratio, thereby influencing the hydrophilicity of the bile acid pool. Through the actions of BACS, SLC27A5, and BAAT, bile acids are conjugated with glycine or taurine, which increases solubility, reduces toxicity, and enables efficient biliary secretion and micelle formation. The entire biosynthetic process is tightly regulated by negative feedback via the nuclear receptor FXR, where bile acids, especially CDCA, inhibit CYP7A1 and CYP8B1 to maintain bile acid homeostasis. Genetic defects in bile acid synthesis or conjugation, such as CYP27A1 mutations causing Cerebrotendinous Xanthomatosis or defects in conjugation enzymes, can lead to lipid malabsorption and systemic metabolic complications.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button. Thank you!